Are you ready to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality? In today's fast-paced world, the demand for innovative physical businesses is higher than ever before. Number 1. Micro-mobility services. With the urban landscape evolving, there's a growing need for convenient and eco-friendly transportation options. From electric scooters to bike-sharing programs, micro-mobility services are revolutionizing urban transportation. Next up, plant-based food businesses. As more people embrace a plant-based lifestyle, the demand for delicious and nutritious plant-based food options is soaring. Whether it's a trendy restaurant, a cozy cafe, or a food truck, the opportunities in the plant-based food industry are endless. Number 3. Smart home installation and consulting. With the rise of smart technology, homeowners are seeking expert guidance to transform their houses into smart homes. Offering installation and consulting services for smart home devices can be a lucrative business venture in today's tech-savvy world. From virtual reality arcades to eco-friendly cleaning services, personalized wellness offerings to vintage clothing stores, and subscription box services, the opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs are limitless. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of entrepreneurship and bring your vision to life with one of these trending physical business ideas.